Good morning, my dear children. In continuation to our last video, lines and angles, exercise 4.3. Today, let us continue with few more exercise sums. Okay, children, let us move to the first sum. In the figure, the arrowhead segments are parallel. Find the value of x and y. Okay, what they have given in the question, children? Arrowhead segments means this line and these two lines are parallel. Okay, these two lines are parallel. And they have asked us to find out the value of x and y degrees. Okay, children, let us move to the solution. So, you look at the first figure here, children. Here, first we will find out the value of y. Okay. So, these two lines are parallel lines and this is a transversal. So, what you can say that, children, here y will be equal to 59 degrees, isn't it? What is the reason there, children? Alternate interior angles. So, value of y we got has 59 degrees. Okay, look at the second figure here, children. Now, we are considering these two as a parallel lines and this one is a transversal. Okay, and here you observe here angle x will be equal to 60 degrees. So, what is the reason there, children? Corresponding angles. So, value of x is equal to 60 degrees and value of y is equal to 59 degrees. Okay, children, let us move to the next question. What is the question here? In the figure, the arrowhead segments are parallel. Then find the value of x and y. So, what they have given, children, in the question? They have said these two lines are parallel. Arrowhead segments are parallel means these two lines are parallel. You have to find out the value of x and y degrees. And here they have given this as 35 degrees and this measurement they have given as 105 degrees. You have to find out the value of x and y. Okay, children, let us move to the solution. First you observe first figure here, children. Okay, in this figure they have given this angle as 105 degrees. So, angle opposite to the angle opposite to this angle is what here? 105 degrees only, isn't it? What is the reason there? Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now, you look at the second figure, children. Here, what is this, children? This is a straight line. See, I have given the marking of purple color. This is a straight line, and as this is a straight line, sum of the angles, all the angles will be equal to how much, children? 180 degrees. So, 35 degrees plus 105 degrees plus y degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So, 35 degrees plus 105 degrees plus y degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Straight line. Now, let us add 35 degrees plus 105 degrees, which is equal to 140. Y plus 140 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now, let us transpose 140 to the right hand side. So, y is equal to 180 degrees minus 140 degrees. So, value of y is equal to 40 degrees. Now, you have to find out the value of x. Okay, now we have to find out the value of x, isn't it, children? So, look at the figure once again. See, I have given the marking here, orange marking. These two lines are parallel lines. And we are considering this blue line as a transversal. Okay. Then what you observe, children, here? X degrees is equal to y degrees. What is the reason there, children? What is the reason there? Corresponding angles. And corresponding angles. So, x is equal to y degrees. x is equal to y value, you got it as 40 degrees. So x is also will be equal to 40 degrees. So the value of x is equal to 40 degrees and y is equal to 40 degrees. Okay children, let us move to the next question. So in this they have asked us to find out the value of x and y from the figure. You observe the figure here children. These two lines they have given parallel lines, and this measurement they have given as 120 degrees. This measure they have given as x degrees, and here down they have given this measure as 3y plus 6 degrees. You have to find out the value of x and y. Okay children, let us move to the solution. You observe the figure here children. They have given, we see these two are the parallel lines. Okay, and this is a transversal. Here x degrees and 120 degrees are what here children? Exterior angles, isn't it? So what is the reason here children? Here x degrees plus 120 degrees will be equal to 180 degrees. What is the reason there? Sum of exterior angles on same side of transversal is 180 degrees. The sum of exterior angles on same side of transversal will be equal to 180 degrees, isn't it? So 120 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. You have to find out the value of x. Now let us transpose 120 to the right hand side. Then you will get x is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. So value of x is equal to 60 degrees. Next we are going to find measure of y. Now you have to find out the value of x children. Here you observe the figure again, see children. Here these two are the parallel lines and this is a transversal, isn't it? Here you have x degrees will be equal to 3y plus 6 degrees. See, x and 3y plus 1 is interior and 1 is exterior. So x will be equal to 3y plus 6 degrees. What is the reason there children? Corresponding angles. Okay, now you have to find out the value of x. So 3y plus 6 is equal to x value, how much you got children? 60 degrees, isn't it? So 3y plus 6 is equal to 60 degrees. Now we have to find out the value of y. So first let us transpose 6 to the right hand side. Then you will get 3y is equal to 60 degrees minus 6 degrees. So 3y is equal to 54 degrees. So y is equal to, we have to find out the value of y, isn't it? So y is equal to 54 degrees by 3. If you cancel it with 3 table, you will get 18. So value of y you got here as 18 degrees. So x is equal to 60 degrees and y is equal to 18 degrees. Okay, let us move to the next question children. From the figure, find x and y. So you have to find out the values of x and y children. So first we will be finding out the value of y. So let us consider only this triangle children. Okay, you see the second figure, adjoining figure here. I have considered only this triangle here and it is a right angle triangle. As it is a right angle triangle, this angle will be equal to 90 degrees. And this measure they have given as 52 degrees and this measure they have given as 3y plus 5 degrees. And you know that sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So 52 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 3y plus 5 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Sum property. Okay, now let us add 52 plus 90 degrees plus 5 degrees. So you will get 3y plus 147 which is equal to 180 degrees. Now let us transpose 147 to the right hand side. So 3y is equal to 180 minus 147. So 3y is equal to 33 degrees. Now let us find out the value of y. So y is equal to 33 by 3. which is equal to 11 degrees. 3 11s are 33. So, now you got value of y is equal to 11 degrees. Okay children, now you have to find out the value of x. You observe the figure here children. These two are the parallel lines, isn't it? See the orange marking I have given there. These two are the parallel lines. And this is a transversal. The blue marking is a transversal. So what do you observe here children? X degrees plus 65 degrees plus 52 degrees will be equal to 180 degrees. What is the reason there children? Interior angles on same side of transversal is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Now x degrees plus 65 plus 52 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now 65 plus 52 is how much children? 117 degrees. So x plus 117 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now let us transpose 117 to the right hand side. So x is equal to 180 degrees minus 117 degrees, which is equal to 63 degrees. So the value of x is equal to 63 degrees and value of y is equal to 11 degrees. I hope so you all understanding children. Okay children, I hope so you have understood the sums which I have explained in today's video. So children, rewatch the video one more time for better understanding. Okay, and do the same sums as assignment. Thank you and have a great day.